Hello, my friends, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Bethan. Do you ever open your wardrobe and feel a sense of dread? A little uninspired? Does it feel like your clothes just aren't working for you? This is a feeling so many of us experience, and this video will help you understand why. I'm going to share 5 key reasons you might be feeling this way and give you clear, actionable steps to fall back in love with your wardrobe. Let's get started. The first reason you might be feeling uninspired is that your wardrobe staples are just a little too simple. We know that high-quality basics are the foundation of a great wardrobe, like a classic white t-shirt, a pair of straight-leg jeans, or a simple white shirt. But if those basics are boxy, plain, and lack personality, you're not going to feel excited when you put them on. The solution is to choose basics with a little more interest. For example, look for a top with a unique texture, a subtle knit pattern, or an elegant drape. When it comes to jeans, choose a style with a great cut, a flattering wash, or a soft, luxurious feel. By choosing staples that have character, your simple outfits will feel special and put together. The next reason you might be feeling disconnected from your wardrobe is that you're wearing your clothes, but you're not styling them. Styling is the art of turning a simple outfit into a complete look. Take a simple base outfit, like a top and a pair of jeans. To elevate it, add a third piece like a beautiful, well-cut jacket. This instantly adds structure and sophistication. You can also create cohesion by echoing colours throughout your outfit, perhaps with a belt that matches your jacket. And don't forget accessories. A simple scarf or a pair of elegant flats can add texture and interest, transforming your outfit from just getting dressed to making a statement. If your wardrobe isn't working for you, it might be because it doesn't align with your personal lifestyle. If you spend most of your time working from home or running errands, a closet full of stiletto heels and sequin top will only create a daily disconnect. Your style should support your day-to-day life. For example, if you spend a lot of time at home, a simple base layer like a comfortable fitted top and high-quality trousers can be a perfect starting point. You can then add a third layer, like a striped shirt in a breathable fabric. This creates a look that is polished and comfortable for your daily activities, but is also ready for you to step out the door. The key is to build a wardrobe that genuinely serves your lifestyle. Another reason you might be feeling frustrated is that you're not balancing your outfits to create a flattering silhouette. Styling is all about proportion and harmony. It's about highlighting your best features, not hiding your body. A universal styling principle is to balance volume. If one part of your outfit is more voluminous, for example, wide leg pants, keep the other part more fitted with a streamlined top. The reverse also works beautifully. A well-fitting garment that is not too baggy and not too tight will always be more flattering. Finally, if your wardrobe feels uninspiring, it might be because you love neutrals, but you've become bored of them. The good news is you can keep your love for neutrals and still refresh your style. Firstly, ensure you're wearing shades that complement your complexion. Next, focus on texture. Mix and match different fabrics to add dimension and interest to your neutral looks. Think about pairing a soft knit sweater with a sleek skirt or linen trousers. Lastly, add contrast. Pick one complementary colour, like burgundy, olive, or mustard, and use it in small doses to enliven your neutrals. I really hope this video has given you some valuable and actionable inspiration to fall back in love with your wardrobe. By making a few simple adjustments, you can feel confident and chic every time you get dressed. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more style and inspiring content to help you be the very best version of yourself.